A, B, and C are integers such that A, B, C are greater than -10, less than +10. And A cubed plus B cubed plus C cubed equal to 3ABC. Find the value of A, B, and C. For solving this problem, when you see sum of three cube numbers like A cubed plus B cubed plus C cubed, we have a famous identity. If I write the identity, it is A cubed plus B cubed plus C cubed minus 3ABC equal to A plus B plus C times A squared plus B squared plus C squared minus AB minus AC minus BC. It is one form of this identity and you should memorize. Another form is to focus on changing this. I know that. Let me write an important identity. Basic. X minus y squared is x squared minus 2xy plus y squared. So, in this problem, if I consider this, for example, as b, 2d equal to 2a squared plus 2b squared plus 2c squared equal to, minus 2ab minus 2ac minus 2bc. If I rearrange this, I write a squared plus b squared, or let me write a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Next one, a squared minus 2ac plus c squared. Last one, b squared minus 2bc plus c squared. So we can see a squared, we have 2a squared here. We have 2b squared on both sides, 2c squared, negative 2ab, negative 2ab, negative 2ac, negative 2ac. So it is equal. Now, if we use the identity here, if I call this a star, the first one is a minus b squared. The second term is a minus c squared. And the last term is b minus c squared. So we can say 2d is a minus b squared. Is a minus c squared plus b minus c squared. And let me erase the things we don't need. Okay, we prove 2d is this. So I can write, so d is half of that. I write half of that, a plus b plus c times a minus b squared plus a minus c squared plus b minus c squared. Why I've placed half of that? Because 2d is this, but here we have d. For reaching d, you should divide this by 2. Now, from assumption of the problem, it says a cubed plus b cubed plus c cubed equal to 3abc. So pay attention to this. Pay attention to this. What can we conclude? We can conclude it is equal to, yes, 0. Because this part, a cubed plus b cubed, equal to 3abc. So, because the left-hand side is 0, we conclude right-hand side is 0. So we have two cases. The first one is 0 or second one is 0. So you should consider these two cases. Okay, the first term, case 1, a plus b plus c is 0. And case 2 is, let me write case 2 here. Second part is 0 here. So I say a minus b squared plus a minus c squared plus b minus c squared equal to 0. Because all of them are perfect square, each of them is at least 0. So when some of them is 0, we conclude each of them is 0. A minus b. Because if one of them, for example, a minus b is not 0, then a minus b square is positive. And here we don't have negative to cancel that. A minus b 0, a minus c equal to 0, and b minus c equal to 0. From the first one, a equal to b. From second one, a equal to c. From last one, b equal to c. If we combine all these results, we conclude A equal to B equal to C. And from assumption, this A, B, C are integers, and they are between -10 and 10. So we can say A plus B plus C, the maximum one can be 9, can be 8, can be 7 to -9. So 9, positive 9, negative, plus 1, 0. It will be 19 answers here. Problem says find the value of A, B, C. So here we found 19 answers here. Let me draw line around that. Okay. One type answer is this. Let's focus on this part. A plus B plus C is 0. So I say without loss of generality, suppose that A is less than or equal B less than or equal to C. And then we calculate the permutation. So we say if A is minimum 1, I consider the cases of A. Minimum case for A is -9. In this case, B plus C should be 9. Cancel that. And we can say, okay, C is the maximum one. 9, it is 0. If C is 8, it is 1. 2, the last one is 7. Sorry, with 9, it is 5, 4. So how many answers do we have here? 0 to 5. We can say 5 answers. And okay, so 5 answers here. And I should tell you the how to calculate permutation. Only pay attention to this. I don't count now because I should calculate the permutation. A equal to -8 and B plus C equal to 8. And we can say C is 9, B is -1, this is 8, B is 0, 7, 1, and we go up to 4, 4. Why we've calculated? Because B is less than or equal C. Now let's calculate the rest. Okay, so look, you should consider that if we have, for example, a -9 these answers, because the problem doesn't say that find number of answers. So if you want to know number of answers, for example, you should multiply -909 by 3 factorial, but in this problem, we don't need that. If you want to know that, feel free to send message to my WhatsApp number to teach you how to calculate that. Or if you want, you can comment below this video. So for -9, for -8, we have this. Let's focus on -7. If okay, select if A equal to -7, we know A plus B plus C is 0, B plus C is 7. We know it is less than or equal this, so if C is 9, it will be -2. If C is 8, -1. 7, 0, 6, 1, 5, 2, 4, 3. Now the next one, if A equal to -6, B plus C will be 6. And we can say B less than or equal to C. We know also A less than or equal to C. So if C is 9, then we have -3, 8. You can write -2 up to last one, 3, 3. So for example here, without considering permutation of A, B, C, we have 6 answers. Here, from -3 to -3, we have 7 answers. And the next case, let me change the color. A equal to -5. B plus C is 5. So you say 9, -4, and you go 8, -3, you go up to, we have 5, 2, 3. Now, here again, if you calculate 4, 2, 7 answers. A equal to -4. B plus C is 4. So if you consider it is 9, -5 we need, but we know A is less than or equal to A is less than or equal to B, but it is not good. So you can't select 9 and -5, so you should select 8. Well, -4 is okay. Let me tell you, if you want to find permutation of this answer, for example, A equal to B equal to C, A plus B plus C 0, and A equal to B, arrangement of that will be 3 in general, because -4, -4. At the end, you should calculate the arrangement. -4, -4, 8, -4, 8, -4, 8, -4, -4. Because two of them are equal, you should multiply by 3. If all of them are different, you should multiply by 6. If you want to learn that, as I said, feel free to send message to my WhatsApp number in the description and comments. Okay. So -4, 8, you write 7, -3, up to 2, 2. Now, for A, -3, B plus C equal to 3. If you consider 9, it will be -6. It's not good. If you consider 8, it will be -5. It's not good because A is less than or equal to 7. -4, not good. And 6 is good. -3. You're right. 5, -2, up to Q1. So here, as you can see, 3, 4, 5 answers. If A, let me write rest by another color. We say A is -2, B plus C is 2. We should start from -2 and it will be 4. It can be 3, -1. It can be 2, 0, 1, 1. Four answers here without considering permutation. -1B plus C is 1. So you can say -1 is 2, 0 it is 1. And these two answers, A equal to 0, B plus C should be 0. And because B is at least 0, it should be 0 and 0. One answer. Calculated all the answers. If you had question or want another solution, you can comment below this video or send message to my number, my WhatsApp number. And thanks for watching this video. You can use my other videos to improve your problem solving. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell, and like the video. And as a homework, you can work on this. A squared plus B squared plus C squared equal to ABC. Try to solve this. Thanks. Have a good day. Bye.